Assalamu alaikum everyone. Welcome to Design Hut. Today's topic is iconic logo design. So let's make a iconic logo. First of all, I will change here some colors and then I will go for the iconic logo design. So let's start. Now I will change here some colors. Then I will go for the main design. Here I will make it yellow, then it will be the black, and this should be the yellow too, yellow, and this should be the which color will be the perfect here. I think yellow will be the perfect here, so make it yellow. Yes, I made it yellow, and now I will edit here. So I go make Hello Geo logo design. I think this is the perfect position to set up. Yes. Then I will go for the saving here. Go to the file and save here. Then I will export it as PNG format. Export it PNG format. Replace it with the past. So now I am going for the new design. Which is iconic logo. So go for the new. So here, I said many times, every logo design you have to take 10 into 10 inch template. So, I create a 10 into 10 inch template, a artboard. Here I make 10 into 10 inch. So for the iconic logo, uh, here I will create something new. Now how it look like? I think it's look pretty good. Sorry. Then I will flip a bit, make horizontal. You can see here, this is horizontal, and I will give it stroke 3, and this one should be the 3. Now, now what I will do, I will take the pen tool, then I will make here something. Sorry, I have to decrease his stove, and now Here you can see I just made a fire and how it look like now. So I again so here you can see and I will sorry fix it here. Now see, let's see how it look like. Yes, I think it's look good. It's look good now. And now I will change this color. This color should be the orange red, and this color should be the I will sorry here here I will decrease stove then how it look like. Now I will change its gradient. Here this and this will be the okay, it's perfect. It's making 90. Yeah, what I want, I get it. And this one should be the this gradient, and it's also 90 degree. It's also 90 degree, and it should be the red, and this one should be the how it look like now. I think it's look perfect. And then I will okay, and this is today's and this is the logo of today, and it is the iconic logo what I want. And how it look like you can see here. This is a firework you can see, and you can write it firework. How it look like you can see here. I made here another color and this portion another color, and you can also change its color, which is stand. You can change the color. So this is today's class, and I will show you the more things for the next class. Till then, Allah Hafiz. Thank you all. Do subscribe my channel. Thank you. Allah Hafiz.